If you have a YouTube channel that is doing relatively well and you are thinking that starting posting regular shorts on your channel is a good idea because a lot of advisors said it's a good idea because it will get you new viewers, then I have a bad news for you. Most probably, or at least in some of the cases, starting posting shorts on your YouTube channel that is mostly around long-form content, it's not a good idea. I tried that. I was posting quite a lot of shorts in the last year, half a year, also almost a year. And yes, I started getting a lot of views, absolutely not a problem. The views were not really a problem, like 50% extra views since I started only posting shorts. But the problem is that it's not the views from shorts are not transferred to views from long form content. People who are watching shorts and are discovering your channel on the shorts are usually not transferring to the long form content. And this is a huge problem. More than that, YouTube at the moment starts to, I think, not promoting your long form content when you are getting a lot of views from the shorts. Plus, if you have the monetization, YouTube shorts are basically not monetized. You have to have millions on views on the shorts to get any kind of the income from them. So my advice, think about what's the core content of your channel and how the shorts will really help your channel. If you think that the shorts will bring more views to your long form content, most probably it won't happen, or at least it won't happen in the scale that you want. You can get a lot of views from shorts, but I have a proof. I have a channel with a lot of shorts, actually 2 channels with a lot of shorts, and since I started posting shorts, I was getting less views on the long form content and less watch time and also less revenue from ads. So shorts can be a bad thing.